After a lot of trial and error, and I do mean a lot, these are the 7 products that I rely on to keep my fine, dry, wavy hair healthy and manageable. I thought it'd probably be most helpful if I talked about them in the order that I use them. So let's get started with pre-wash. First product is a Praise Bond Repair. This is a lightweight spray-on pre-wash hair treatment that is designed to repair damage, whether that be chemical, thermal or mechanical. I would definitely say this would be worth using if you have any kind of damage, to be honest, even if that is just everyday wear and tear. For me, there are several reasons that make this a hero product. Firstly, I love how easy it is to use. You can literally spray on and only need to use it for 10 minutes for it to be effective. However, you can also apply it before you go to bed and sleep in it, which to me is just the definition of efficiency. I'm a lazy girl at heart. I love stuff like that. On top of being very easy and quick to use, I do find the results are incredible. I'd already been using lots of different bond repairs when I first tried Repurchase, and I definitely saw a significant improvement from the very first use. It has now just become my go-to bond repair product. I use it pretty much every second or third time that I wash my hair, and 9 times out of 10 I forget to apply it the night before, so actually it tends to only be left on for anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour depending on what I'm doing that day. The only con for me is the price, but personally I do think it's worth it. Second product is Pureology's Hydrate Shampoo and Conditioner. Yes, officially I know that is 2 products, but I'm bundling them together, okay? It's my video, I'll do what I want. The shampoo has a creamy, pearlescent, semi-opaque gel-like texture, whereas the conditioner has quite a thick, creamy, emollient finish. I think these are both amazing options if your hair is on the dry side or if it's damaged. These have hit hero status because the shampoo does an incredibly good job at cleansing without stripping my hair. And the conditioner just is beautiful. It really helps to soften and nourish my hair. It just leaves it feeling full of life and revitalized without in any way weighing it down. Product number 3 is Evo's Main Attention. This is a protein treatment that will really help to strengthen and restructure your hair. If you're looking to repair everyday wear and tear, or if you've got that kind of mushy feeling like your hair's almost overhydrated, a protein treatment can really help give the structure back. It gives hair elasticity and shine and really just helps to restore the balance to your wavy hair. I personally really like to use a protein treatment after doing a clarifying wash or using a sulfate shampoo. That way I know that I am rid of all product buildup and that the protein treatment can really penetrate my hair. Evo's works really quickly, so I apply in the shower, I clip it up for a couple of minutes and then I fully rinse. And then I just like to apply conditioner afterwards just to help smooth and seal the cuticle. For me, it's a hero because it makes my hair feel stronger, more resilient, it gives back its shape and shine. Honestly, as soon as this product is applied to my hair, I can feel the difference. Next up is Olaplex's number 5, the Leave-In Conditioner, Moisturise and Mend. Why do they have 2 number 5s? That's confusing. I don't understand. Anyway. It's a leave-in conditioner with a creamy gel-like texture, and it is designed to hydrate, detangle, and even says that it will mend split ends. I think you'd opt for this leave-in conditioner if you want one that's going to help repair, moisturize, and tame frizz. It's a really great option if you've got colour treated or damaged hair that tends to get frizzy quite easily. On wet hair, I tend to use 1.5 pumps to get a really good even coverage. But this product can also be used on dry hair, and if I was doing that to seal and smooth dry ends, I would literally use a pea-size amount. Why it's a hero for me? Well, it provides much needed hydration and moisture for my hair. It helps to tame frizz. I like that it's really versatile and that you can use it, you know, on wet hair as part of a kind of wash routine, but also that you can apply it to dry hair, making your updo just look a little bit more refined. I also feel like it's kind of protecting my hair from everyday wear and tear. And as well as nourishing, repairing and hydrating, it is also a heat protectant. So I always love something that's multi-purpose. Number 5 is K18's Astro Lift. This is a very lightweight reparative volume spray that the brand claim give you 2.5 times the volume for your hair. And I have to agree. I think if you have fine or thin hair, this product can be so transformative. It leaves my hair feeling thicker and fuller and like I just have more of it than I actually do. Generally, I apply this to wet hair, but you definitely can use it on dry hair. I did so much testing of this product and it worked no matter what routine I used. Air dry, heat styled, wet hair, dry hair, it delivered every single time. Which, to be honest, is why it's such a hero product. It really does transform my fine hair. There is no residue, no crunchiness, no stickiness. I cannot feel the product in my hair, but I do feel like I have much thicker hair than I naturally actually do. I absolutely love it, and unfortunately, I have yet to find a budget-friendly alternative to it. Hey ho. Number 6 is another product from Evo, and it's their Liquid Rollers Curl Balm. This is a simple single styler, I really think, for wavy hair. Not curly hair, not straight hair, wavy. It has a very light hold with absolutely no crunch or stickiness whatsoever. And the product has kind of a curl cream gel hybrid texture. I think you'd really like using this if you want something to naturally enhance your waves, give them some definition, but without any feeling of product residue. And also if your hair is on the dry or frizzy side, this helps to moisturize and tame frizz. It's, yeah, powerful little product. I just use a very small amount. I rub it between the palms of my hands just to warm it up a little bit, and then I tend to smooth and glaze it over my hair. And then usually I would do this before a natural wave enhancement. So that might be a scrunch technique or brush styling, or it might be my favorite method of side dunking. This has become a hero product for me because it adds some structure and definition while still allowing my wavy hair to have movement and just look and feel really natural. I also think it's actually incredibly budget friendly because you need so little, which means I'm actually only purchasing the travel size because the first one lasted me 9 months. So at £6, it's also really budget friendly. And finally, you can use this one on dry hair as well. So if you get caught out in some weather, rain, humidity, whatever, you can use it on dry hair just to smooth away some frizz, give back a little bit of definition. It's very versatile, and the travel size fits really nice into every handbag I've got. So yeah, hero status has been awarded. And then finally, it's Olaplex's number 7 bonding oil. There are so many reasons to love this product. It will seal in moisture to your hair, it will add shine, you can protect from heat with it. It's great for a finishing oil, for taming frizz, you can apply it to dry ends. It's great for slicked back styles. Honestly, it is really versatile. The one con that has been mentioned to me though is for people with naturally silver, white or grey hair. A few people have mentioned that it does discolour, so this might be one to skip if you have white, grey or silver hair. I use this in 2 main ways. Firstly, on wet hair, post a leave-in conditioner. It's a technique that really helps to lock and seal in moisture to my naturally dry hair. And then the alternative or second way is on dry hair if you just want to add some shine or tame some frizz. So those are the 2 main ways that I would use it. And it honestly gives that instant, more polished look, whether I'm doing natural enhancement or a bouncy blow dry. If you've enjoyed this video, here's another one that I think might be helpful for you. Thank you as always for watching. Take care and have a lovely day.